Think about the last time you paused for a moment because of something small yet meaningful. Was it the object itself, or the way it carried your hope for the day? A notebook is more than just a place to write words. It captures your dreams. A storage pot isn't just for holding things. It supports every journey, even back on. A column that does modern art days. It reminds you to cherish the rituals of life. At Align Paper, we believe a product is never just true. It is a bridge connecting people to their daily lives. Our mission is clear: to provide global stationery and lifestyle brands with tailored supply chain solutions. Agile deliveries that protect your inspiration. Cost advantages that safeguard your business. Quality commitments to uphold trust. In 2026, the products we launch won't be merely paper goods. There will be stories. Stories about the elegance of everyday life. Today, we invite you to be part of that story.
Welcome to the Lion Paper 2026 Q1 virtual launch.
Hello everyone, I am Leo, and thank you for being with us today. At Lion Paper, we believe stationery is more than paper and bags. It's a way of living. Every collection we launched begins with a simple question: how can we bring more meaning, more joy, and more responsibility into the people's daily routines? Today, I will answer this question through 3 waves of innovation. Each wave speaks to a different value: sustainability, creativity, and lifestyle elegance. Together, they tell the story of how we are reshaping stationery into complete lifestyle solution. Wave 1, sustainability, reimagined. Over the years, many customers have told us the same story: notebook that all look same, covers that wear out after a few months, and products that simply did not connect with today's eco-conscious lifestyle. That's why we created the Eco series, not just stationery, but a smarter, greener lifestyle choice. In the Brew Tea Treasures collection, we take things like coffee grounds, tea residue, and cork, and give them a new life as notebooks, organizers, and accessories. The texture of every page carries the warmth of its origin, and every bag helps reduce waste by using upcycled fabric. These products are perfect for brands that want to share sustainability stories that consumers can relate to, because here every notebook truly starts with a second chance. The EcoShell Paper Line takes that same idea even further by turning discarded fruit shells into durable eco paper or create notebook and planners with natural tones and unique texture. No two covers are ever exactly alike. For buyers, this uniqueness creates a strong point of the difference, help retailers stand out in a crowded market. The Tyvek Chic Eco Collection is where fashion meets function. To point, Tyvek makes our product waterproof, lightweight, and recyclable. We pair it with pastel tones and checker designs that appeal to young consumers, while durability ensures long-term satisfaction. And for those who want authenticity, that Natural World series use real-world liners combined with eco-certificate paper. Each notebook is one of a kind because of the Natural World grade. For users, writing becomes more than just take notes. It feels like a mindful daily ritual. For our partners, it creates a permanent feel that supports higher margin while still backed by the line paper's cost efficiency. Together, those eco collections do more than just solve durability and design problems. They give our partners stronger differentiation, higher margin, and assurance for a supply chain that can scale sustainability reliably. Wave 2, creativity and play. Of course, functionality alone is no longer enough. In today's world, people are looking for products that bring joy and self-expression and make life a little more fun. That's why we create our novelty and playful series, stationery that inspire creatively. The EcoFoam DIY notebook line turns every notebook into a personal canvas. Its EcoFoam covers can be decorated with pins, charms, and stickers, so users can change their designs whenever they feel like it. For students and kids, it's an instruction to creativity. For adults, it's self-expansion. And for our buyers, it means endless SKU possibilities. Because every notebook can look completely different once customized by the user. Finally, the vivid, accurate Marvel series is designed for those who love bold energy. These covers shimmer with a light colorful insert, turn note into mini artworks, and fun accessories let people add the personality. For users, it's a playful, eco-catch price pieces. For buyers, it's products that speak directly to Gen Z, who want their stationery to double as lifestyle accessory. Together, these collections solve the problems of stationery that feels boring and disposable. They bring joy and personality to users, while giving your partners products that stand out both in stores and on social media. The third wave is about elegance, products that do more than serve a purpose. They elevate daily routines into something graceful and intentional. These aren't just tools. They are companions that make organization effective and stylish. The whimsical embroidered texture collection features notebooks, pouches, and bags wrapped with a soft weaving fabric, decorated with a delicate embroidery from diaries to shape the nature-inspired patterns. They feel more like thoughtful keepsakes than mass-product. For buyers, they deliver high perceived value while tapping into the global trends of craftsmanship. The Tulip Bulb series take inspiration from flowers into full bloom. This travel and cosmetic organizer use soft-built, durable fabric, watercolor prints, and thoughtful compartments to solve common problems: messy cosmetics, tangled cables, or pouches that do not last. For buyers, they combine beauty with utility, increase both repeat purchase and gifting opportunities. For professionals, the premium business office series transforms workspace into a place of focus and prestige. Made with eco-conscious PU leather into navy and black with metallic accents. It includes planners, desk pads, and accessories that look and feel premium. This series is especially strong for corporate gifting and B2B purchasement. And the pink tone elegance ensemble speak directly to women who want bring refinement into their daily routines. With notebooks, foldable organizers, and pouches in warmer pink tones, paired with vegan leather, an elegant good accent. It balances particularly with beauty. For partners, it directly appeals to the fast-growing female lifestyle market. Together, these lifestyle series go beyond fixed clutters of uninspiring design. They bring joy, serenity, and empowerment to users. And for our partners, they create products with strong gifting appeals, premium position, and assumed margin. Across these three waves, sustainability, creativity, and lifestyle elegance, one common thread emerges. Our belief that stationery and lifestyle products should not only serve a function, but also carry culture, emotion, and responsibility. At Line Paper, we turn creative design into reality with 48 hours quotation, 5 to 7 day phototyping, duplication, manufacturing, and reliable global delivery. Our 2026 Q1 collection is more than a product launched. It's an invitation to our partners to share refined living with the world and to co-create a future that is sustainability, joyful, and elegant.
And our journey does not stop here. From October 23rd to 27th, we will first showcase our new products at the Canton Fair Phase 2, Hall 17.2 Booth 28. Then from October 31st to November 4th, we will continue at Phase 3, Hall 9.3, Booth 1819, where you can explore the full breadth of our collections.
And I warmly invite you to join us. Come, discover the full collection, and let's talk about how Line Paper can bring both inspiration and value to your business. Thank you, and welcome to Life in Sets.